Okay, so I'm going to be taking off for a little while for just a short distance, a short trip rather, to get a little bit of warm weather. So I'm taking that with, right, in that box, and then that's waterproof as well. And then, okay, again, I'm still working on these. I haven't even taken the glue off of there yet, but that fits in there as well. But before I put that in there, again, I'm going to put, right now, if you can hear that in the background, that's the CNC running tray number 2, because I'm going to take that with. But this is, actually, this is a spalted maple, that a tray number 3 that I am going to make a sofa server table out of. So I'll take that along. That doesn't go in there. This is tray number 3 for this job. This is that oak from the stair tread. And I have to clean that up when I'm camping with a router. Here's the 2 risers. Should fit in there. They do. These are the 2 vices, which also fit inside. And then once that other one is done running, once tray number 2 is done running on the CNC, then I'm going to slide that in there as well. Put that in there, and then I can close the top. This one I'm going to actually put that in there, and then this is a template. And to make it smaller, I just take those out, right? And then now that can tuck in there, and then these guys can just go in there as well. And again, all I have to do is find tray number 2 that's on the CNC. Again, I'm leaving for a while, and I want to take my tools with. These are my go-to tools. This is my micro, and then this is the regular 1/4-inch router bit, round over. Now this is one of the smaller boxes, the black boxes that I'm talking about, the Planos. They're not that easy to find. This is the medium automotive trunk. But anyhow, I don't want to get it too heavy. I just had surgery, so I'm not going to put the routers and stuff in there, but this is actually pretty light. This is the Wen drill press that I'm going to take along. So to make that smaller, I'm just going to take that off, and actually, since this is a little bit heavy, I might put that in the back end of my pickup truck where I do want weight. And then we'll see what else we got. I have a bunch of drivers. Again, I don't like to get too heavy on some of these parts lifting wise, so I'm going to put some of those in bags. Again, sticking with the lightweight stuff, these are some of like tray 3s that I made. These are what, I don't know, yeah, red oak, actually from our own land here. I made these. This is cherry from our own land. So I am going to put those in here. They're not that heavy, and that way they'll be totally dry, because they'll be in the back end of my pickup truck when I'm pulling the 5th wheel, and we can't have the cover on, so these will get, the boxes will get wet. The stuff inside will. Okay, so tray number 2 from the stair tread version is all done. Whew, dust on that baby. Anyhow, so I'm removing that from the CNC, and then I'm not going to do any work on it right now, because I'm instead, again, I'm heading on a trip with the RV for a short while, and so I'll just take the tools with me to do this. So then. So now this is where then I can just slide it in there, and away we go. Close that up. Again, there's 2 of them in there. Not that 2 would normally fit because they're 5.5 high, but this is also a larger Plano box. I can have one of these in my truck behind the 5th wheel, and then I think 2 or 3 of the smaller ones next to the 5th wheel. So we're getting pretty well ready to go. If I had another small one, I would load my routers and stuff in there, but I'm going to use bags for that instead. So that's kind of where we're at. We're getting ready to head out, and we're going to be missing all this white stuff out here. And I am not going to miss that, to be honest with you. By the time we come back, that'll all be gone. But today is going to be like minus something wind chill factor. And tonight we're getting 8 or 9 inches of snow, and that's why I need to get the heck out of Dodge.